Basic steps for connecting groove of steel plastic pipe. One. Prepare materials and tools: dry cloth, file, caliper, bracket, steel plastic pipe, groove machine. 2. Processing groove procedure. 1. The surface of the pipe incision should be smooth, no cracks, concave and convex, shrinkage, slag and oxide. Burrs should be removed with a file. 2. Before processing the groove, use the dry cloth to remove paint, rust, debris, and other contaminants on the surface of the processing part. 3. Place one end of the pipe groove on the roller. Place the other end on the bracket, while the bracket position is placed in 3/4 of the total length of the pipe. 4. Rotate the bracket handle. Adjust the level of both ends of the steel pipe or the bracket in 1 to 2 degrees lower. Start the machine and observe whether the pipe deviates from its original position or not. If deviated, adjust the left and right position of the bracket until the steel pipe won't deviate again. 5. Tighten the pressure relief valve of the groove machine. Roll down the wheel rack to get close to the end of the pipe. Start the machine and gradually press the wheel into the steel pipe. 6. After the initial indentation on the steel pipe is extruded, shake the handle slowly again for the second application after every turn. Complete step by step. Do not use one-step approach. 7. Measure the depth of the groove. If fails to meet the requirement, adjust the limit nut again and continue pressing the groove until the depth reaches the requirement. 8. Then lock the nut and open the pressure relief valve. Wait for the wheel frame to automatically return to the highest point. Stop the machine and take off the steel pipe after the wheel and the steel pipe are separated. 3. Basic steps of groove connection. Prepare materials and tools: dry cloth, file, steel plastic pipe, brushes, lubricants, spanners, steel plastic grooved clamp fittings. 1. Inspect the pipe and clamp to ensure that the connecting surface of the pipe is clean and smooth, without burrs, no depressions, no bulges, no peeling paint, etc. before installation. Meanwhile, remove the burrs and scraps on the end of the pipe with a file. 2. Check the rubber ring to ensure that it is suitable for the working conditions. Then, put the rubber ring into the end of the pipe to ensure that the rubber ring is in the same level with the pipe end. 3. Align the two pipes and join them together. Let the rubber ring slide into the right place and make sure that it is positioned in the middle between the grooves and the two pipes. 4. Spread a layer of lubricant on the sealing lip and outer surface of the rubber ring to prevent squeezing the rubber ring during installation. 5. Fasten one clamp to the rubber ring and ensure that both sides of the clamp are clamped into the grooves of the pipes. And then fasten another clamp to the rubber ring. The two sides of the clamp should be clamped into the grooves at the two ends of the pipe. Make sure that one clamp buckle is inserted into the groove of the other clamp, and then clamp the two clamps together. 6. Tighten the nuts manually and then tighten the nuts at both ends of the pipe clamp in turn and evenly with the torque wrench, so as to achieve the rated bolt torque and ensure that the elliptical neck of the two bolts completely falls into the bolt hole. 7. Installation completed. Inspect the pipe junction to ensure that both sides of the clamp are completely stuck in the pipe groove. The gap between the two sides of the clamp is equal and no rubber ring can be seen. 8. Note: if installation steps are the same as rigid clamps, while the difference is that there is no gap between the two clamps and there is no extrusion rubber ring. The display of groove connection of steel plastic pipe is finished. Thank you for watching.